In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split and place a schedule on a sheet in Revit. If you've ever had a long schedule that doesn't fit neatly on a single sheet, this workflow will help you present it cleanly in organized columns without manual reformatting. First, make sure you're looking at the sheet where you want the schedule to appear. In the project browser, expand the schedule's quantities category, then click and drag the schedule you want directly onto the sheet. When you release the mouse, Revit places the schedule as a single block. Position it roughly where you want your first column to begin. You can refine the layout in a moment. Next, select the schedule on the sheet. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue boundary and the contextual tools appear. With the schedule highlighted, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen. You'll see a split and place tool available when a schedule is selected. You can also access the split control from the options bar. Click split and place to tell Revit you want to break this single schedule into multiple parts. Revit will automatically divide the schedule into linked segments. Each segment behaves like part of the same schedule, but you can move them independently to different areas of the sheet. Click and drag a segment to the right to create a second column and continue arranging them so they read left to right or top to bottom in the order that makes sense for your layout. As you move segments, watch for alignment cues so your columns line up neatly and keep consistent spacing from the sheet margins and title block elements. To fine-tune how many rows appear in each segment, hover over the bottom edge of a segment until you see the resize cursor, then click and drag the boundary up or down. And this adjusts the split point, redistributing rows between adjacent segments. Take your time here. Small adjustments create a balanced layout that's easier to read. Aim for similar heights so the columns feel intentional, and be mindful not to cut critical header information in an awkward spot. If your schedule includes repeating headers, Revit will maintain them across segments, which helps readability. When everything looks balanced, give each segment a final nudge to align edges and maintain even gutters between columns. That's it. You've placed the schedule, split it into manageable parts, and adjusted the boundaries to control how many rows appear in each segment for a clean professional sheet layout.